Have you been saving your pennies and think you're finally ready to buy a home? Most first-time home buyers know that they need to budget for a down payment, but many overlook the other costs involved. If you're preparing to buy your first home, make sure you have enough to cover additional expenses like home inspection, appraisal, insurance, and closing costs. Here in Maryland, you can expect to pay around $500 and higher for a home inspection, depending on the size of the home, $600 for home appraisal, $1,800 for homeowner's insurance. Closing costs can vary, but are typically between 3.5% and 4.5% of the loan amount. Don't let these hidden fees stop your home ownership plans. Reach out to us for a free, no obligation consultation. Let us help fill you in on everything you need to know about buying a home in today's market. This is Lavina Samtani, Remax Realty Center, 240-506-1620.